How to buy Robux with PayPal. Here is how to buy Robux using PayPal in the easiest and most reliable way. Open the browser and go to the robux.com and log into your account. Then all you have to do is click on the Robux icon at the top right corner of your screen, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, tap on the Buy Robux. Then you'll be navigated to the page where you can choose the Robux package or a premium subscription. Now you scroll down and choose the Robux you want to buy. So here I'm buying this one, just for an example. Then you will be navigated to the checkout where you can select PayPal as your payment method. You can see PayPal option available. Tap on it. Now log into your PayPal account and complete the purchase. This is the simplest method. Robux officially supports PayPal for browser purchases. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.